How to add Wikipedia gadget layout on your blog or website on Blogger. Hello guys, so first step you have to do is go to blogger.com. This is the home page as you can see. Now all what you have to do is just click right here on this layout option, and now scroll down and click on add the gadget, and scroll down again and click on Wikipedia. Then you can let the title as Wikipedia or change it, then click save. Now let's check our website, and Wikipedia is here. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end.